How to deactivate Messenger. Hi guys, welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can do it easily. So first of all, you have to log into your Messenger account. Once you are here, click on these three bars on the top left corner and go for its settings. Once you are here, you have to scroll all the way to this account settings, and this will take you to this page where you have to go for this account ownership and control. Once you are here, deactivation and deletion, you have to go for that option. And as you can see, deactivating Messenger, first of all you need to deactivate your Facebook account, then you can deactivate Messenger. So to do that, you have to go for this continue to Facebook deactivation and deletion. And here first of all you have to deactivate your Facebook account that is linked with your Messenger. So simply click on this continue to account deactivation and you have to give your password. So once you are done with the deactivation of your Facebook account, you have to repeat the same process again for the Messenger to delete and deactivate your Messenger. So that's how basically you can deactivate Messenger.